Hey, welcome to my Seattle apartment tour. Come on in. So a lot of you guys may have known this, but I recently did move to Seattle for work, and I got a new apartment here, and this is my first time ever living alone. So when you first originally walked in, here immediately on your left side, we have a little nook, and this is my bar area. I don't really drink, I'm not much of a drinker, but I do love hosting. And I was actually able to decorate this place myself. The wallpaper I just purchased from Amazon is really inexpensive, like $5. And I got this custom neon sign, which is really beautiful. And I'll show you guys what it's like when I turn it on. With a little remote controller here, when I press it, it lights up. And I chose the color red because I felt like red complemented the black and white the most, and it felt the most vibey, for lack of a better term. And it says it was all a dream. And the idea behind this is that you're drinking, you're having a great time, you don't really remember what you're doing, and it's kind of like a dream. So that is the meaning behind why I chose this particular neon sign to go with the bar area. And then here I have some really nice alcohol that I don't drink. It's really just for guests. And then over here we have just some glasses, and then down here are mixers, and we have some LaCroix back when I was in my LaCroix phase. And then over here we have a bunch of different wines that people have gifted me. So every time I host, people normally bring something, which you should, by the way. If you don't, you should always bring something if you're going over to someone's place. And I never touch these wines, so they kind of just sit here. I don't really know what to do with them because every time I invite people, more just pile up. So I feel like honestly at this point I could probably start to open up a store where I just like market off these wines. So that's this kind of nook over here. And it only really gets used when I have guests, but that doesn't happen too often. But I thought this was like a very cool touch in my apartment. And moving on, next to the bar cart area, we have this closet area, and in this washer dryer, it's just honestly just for storage. I store like toiletries, shoes, washer dryer, boring stuff, so not opening that. Adjacent to the bar cart over there, we have my kitchen area. So in my kitchen area, it didn't come with an island, but I do cook quite a bit. As you can tell from behind me, I have some really delicious food going on. You can't smell it behind the camera, but I promise you, it is very delicious indeed. And so because there's not nearly enough counter space for me to do most of like my cooking and chopping, that's why I bought this movable cart over here from IKEA, and it's great. It just serves as extra counter space for me to do any sort of cooking, and it's been serving me really well for all the meals that I make. And so for those of you who don't know, cooking is a huge hobby of mine, and I'm going to put a little plug right here for you to follow my food Instagram, which is at Munchies with Mare. And over there I show you different tips and tricks, different recipes that I make. And I've been really into trying to showcase Chinese cuisine a lot, and I've been really trying to cook a lot more Chinese cuisine. You'll find a lot of my family recipes that I've adapted from, or recipes that I've tried and tested, and you'll see that on my food Instagram. So make sure you follow at Munchies with Mare. Luckily, this kitchen has a lot of cabinetry space, which is really nice because in these cabinets over here, I put all of my cookware. I have baking down there. Over here, I have different pots and pans. I have a stand mixer since I do also bake a lot as well. I'm really into baking. So I have a whole bunch of baking things. And up here are my backstock ingredients. I don't want to show too much because it's not the most clean. But essentially just extra spices, extra oil, extra condiments, etc. just go up there. My only gripe about this kitchen is that it is an electric stovetop. And for those of you who don't cook too much, electric stovetops are not as ideal for cooking because with a gas stove, the fire, it creates better flavor, honestly, and it also heats things up a lot faster. But I've been able to work around that, and I've been able to still cook with my electric stove. And I want to show you guys what I'm making because you happen to catch me on a great day today where I'm cooking something very delicious. So here we have 红烧牛肉, which is a red braised beef. And this is a dish that I had adapted from my grandma's because I used to eat this growing up, and when I would go back and visit in China, I asked her for the recipe and I did some adaptations on it. So this recipe will be up on my food Instagram, Munchies with Mare. Go follow it. I have this little like matcha station, and I know that Travis Barker did mention that he had a matcha station, but personally my matcha station is more elite, okay? I don't care what anyone says, but I am the self-coined matcha queen, and I have my matcha station here. I have my heated water kettle back there, and then moving on here, we have my pantries. In my pantry, I pretty much just store, these are all like my dried food ingredients. I love these little carousels, which allow for easy access to ingredients. Of course, we have spice racks. We have storage containers for all the dried food. And I frequently dig into this pantry a lot, whether it's for cooking, snacking, and I just like to keep my things organized. The kitchen is very important to me. And now moving on from the kitchen, we are going to explore the living area. So right adjacent to the kitchen, here we have my work setup. This is an amazing chair that I got from Madison Seating. So this is a steel case chair. I think it retails for $1,000 and I got it for $250. And this is where I do most of my work. Sometimes I do work here. Other times I migrate to the couch, but my coworkers don't know that. Over here we have just, standard 55-inch TV. And I got this media stand from IKEA. The media stand is mostly just for aesthetic purposes, a little bit of storage. I put some of my books there, some games down there. So across from the media stand, here we have my lovely couch. I am a couch girl. I love the couch. I live on the couch. I do work on the couch. I eat on the couch. I sleep on the couch. Everything happens on the couch. Every time I host guests, we're always on the couch. So to me, couch is very important, and so I did invest a good amount of money into this couch. I'll also put the link for the couch in the description box down below if any of you guys are interested. Basically, we're going for sophisticated and rich. That's what we're going for. Sophisticated and rich, but on a budget, because these pillows, I got them from Amazon and they were, I think, like $11. But the point is to get textured pillows, velvet colored pillows. It's all for the sake of the effect. So here we have my lovely coffee table. This coffee table I got from Casterly. It's a mango wood and it's real wood, which I love the look of. I am not much of a plant person. I don't love plants, but I do love my fiddle leaf fig. I got this from Home Depot. Great deal. It was only like $40 and I have been growing it. It used to be like really small and now it has actually grown quite a bit in the past year, which I'm really excited about. And it's quite healthy because I do have an automatic watering system back there, which I will link on Amazon. It does absolute wonders, especially if you're a lazy person like me and you don't remember when to water your plants. Great tool. And then over here we have a fabulous mirror. This mirror is does not help with my vanity. I got it from CB2 and great, really high quality. They do white glove delivery service. It is quite a bougie purchase, but it is very important for me and my lifestyle. The living room is pretty much the area where I spend most of my time to relax in. Coming from the living room, which is right over there, right adjacent to the living room, here we have the bathroom. And in this bathroom, the furnishing all kind of matches in the kitchen, which is really nice. There's like great consistency. And there's not that much to say about the bathroom besides I am obsessed with white everything, white towels, white rugs. This is a stacking bathroom organizer that I just got on Amazon. It was like $25, I think. Stores all my goods and my skincare on the top. I wanted to originally have like things hanging on the wall, but I felt like I didn't want to be intrusive and like drill holes into the wall, so getting a bathroom organizer was like the second best option, and it has been really great for me so far. I have a bunch of different drawers, and in these drawers, it's pretty much just makeup drawers. I put makeup in my top. Pretty much all on the right side is where I have all of my makeup products and things, and then down here, it's storage for more things, and I don't want to show you what's in it because it's not that clean. And then everything on the left side here is just skincare. Actually, that's not clean either. this is pretty organized. This is my nail polish, just like kind of extra skincare things. And then down here is just also extra skincare things. And right across from the bathroom is the bedroom. So right over here, this is where I sleep. I know for some people, they like to use their bedroom also as a work area, but since I live alone, I'm lucky enough to just keep my bedroom as just bedroom, and then my work stuff is all outside. As you can see, bed is made like this honestly every day. I really am so happy with a made bed. It's something that makes me really happy. And then we have these matching lamps, which are all Alexa controlled, which is really nice. These are just from Overstock. Nightstands are from IKEA. Now, moving on, we have my closet. What's really great about this apartment is that I feel like I have quite a bit of closet space, but living in Seattle, I honestly wear none of it. I wear leggings every single day or pajama pants, and I'm always wearing workout gear. So I never honestly touch most of these clothes. So I like to arrange things in a color order. Nothing too crazy or anything. I have my pants over here, and down here we have dresser where I store all of my leggings and other pajama pant related things. And then over here we just have jackets, sweaters, all kind of in a color coordinated fashion. And then up here we have just some extra storage. And then right over here we have my bag storage and then some hats. And that is all that I have for you guys for today's apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little sneak peek into my apartment here in Seattle. This is my first ever time living alone in a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, but I will soon be downgrading a little bit when I move to my next state. And that will be my next video for you guys, where you will shortly be finding out where I am moving to. I know I've hinted it in the past video and this video, and I haven't mentioned exactly where yet, but you'll soon find out where. And let me know if you guys have any questions or comments down below, and I will be sure to answer them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you follow my Instagram, which is @MareHeartsU, my food Instagram, which is @MunchiesWithMare, and my restaurant review Instagram, which is @MareCaseEats. Make sure you follow all 3 of those Instagram accounts so you see what I'm up to when I'm not making YouTube videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was informative and entertaining for you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!